this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful lacy stitch tutorial. As you can see, I've used this stitch a couple of times. I'll be linking in the down bar the crochet projects I made using this stitch. And so this is a fan stitch. It's really pretty, it's really delicate. So for this project I'll be demonstrating the stitch using a sample. However, you can use this stitch very easily. Just for your information, this stitch is a multiple of 7 plus 4 for the base chain, and then you can adapt this this stitch however you want to use it. And also the free pattern will be available on my blog. As always, I will be linking this in the description box, and I will be linking all the materials that I will be using. Also, you can use whichever yarn you prefer. I will be using a DK Light 3 weight yarn, which is more of a finer yarn, and I'll be using a 4mm crochet hook for the demonstration. However, you can just use whichever yarn you prefer. Just make sure that you use the crochet hook size indicated on the back of your yarn and you should be good. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, take your yarn, make a slip knot and pop your hook through, tighten. And so once you've done that, you will be chaining 46. So 1, 2, 3. Now you are going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains from the hook and placing a double crochet into that. So to create a double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into that chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates a double crochet. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and skip those, and place 4 double crochets into the next chain. So go into that next chain and place 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochets inside that chain. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. So now that you've chained 2, you are going to be placing a double crochet into the next chain, like so. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 5 chains, and go into the next chain with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, place a double crochet into the next chain, and once again chain 2, 1 and 2, skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go into the next chain with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, go into the next chain with 1 double crochet, and now to finish off this row, and obviously your row will be longer but the principle is the same, chain 2 and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and go into the last chain and place 4 double crochets into that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is row 1 completed. And now I'm going to show you row 2, and this is quite easy. Then it will be from row 2 forward, it will be just a simple repeat of that same row. So now for row 2 you are going to be chaining 4, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work and you will be placing a double crochet into that same first stitch here. So just go ahead and place a double crochet into that first stitch. Now what you are going to be doing is chain 2, 1 and 2, and miss this chain 2 space here. So miss this chain 2 space here and go into the next chain 2 space, which is the space between the 1 double crochet and the cluster of 4 double crochets. So go directly into that space with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2, 1 and 2, and place a double crochet into that same chain 2 space like so. Now chain 2, 1 and 2 and skip this next space here and go directly into the next space, which is also between the double crochet and cluster of 4 double crochets, and place 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochets, chain 2 and 1 double crochet like so, and now chain 2, 1 and 2, skip the next space here and go into the next space, and place 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2 and 1 double crochet and chain 2, and now you are going to be placing 4 double crochets into the very last stitch. So just go ahead and place 4 double crochets into this last stitch here. So just go directly into that. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is what we have for row 2. And now for row 3 will simply be a repeat of this row over and over. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your work and place another double crochet inside this stitch here, chain 2, skip this space here and go into this space here, and place 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2 and place another double crochet into that. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, skip this space and go into the next with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip this space and go into the next here with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochets, and chain 2 and 1 double crochet, and now chain 2 and go into the last stitch here and place 4 double crochets into that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is what we have. So obviously your rows will be a lot longer, but just carry on with this stitch. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.